Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup creamy. First, begin by selecting fresh mushrooms, like cremini or button, and slice them evenly. Sauté these mushrooms in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until they release their moisture and turn a beautiful golden brown. This crucial step develops a deep, earthy flavor that forms the foundation of your delicious soup. Next, add finely minced garlic and shallots to the pot, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. This adds a layer of complexity. Then, pour in 4 cups of high-quality vegetable or chicken broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. To achieve that luxurious creaminess, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a separate small saucepan, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Cook this for 1 minute. Gradually whisk the warm roux into your simmering soup, ensuring no lumps form. Finally, reduce the heat to low and slowly stir in 1 cup of heavy cream until fully incorporated and heated through. Season your creamy mushroom soup with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of fresh thyme to taste. For an even smoother consistency, you can carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or by transferring a portion to a regular blender, then returning it to the pot. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve hot. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.